Carry on.
Don't look that slippery.
Bloody dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ha ha ha! I can't get round here. I cannot get round. I can't get round here. It's too long.
You can do it. You can. You can't do it. You didn't do it. Look out behind.
Well, too long. Oh, fucking hell.
Dip.
It's a bit lumpy, isn't it? I don't know why the hell it looks jumping out of gear. I wonder whether this is just knocking it.
All your
against
cables
that.
and where that gator's off.
Yeah.
Need some new rubbers.
Alright, should we go down and have another go?
Yeah.
Oh, it's crap up here. Oh. Seatbelt on, windows up.
Model time. Look at that. Quick, you're gonna run out of video. You've got 16 seconds. It's not that wet.
Oh, that wasn't too bad, was it? Oh.